Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what is the Spotify Fastly error and how to solve, or it is solved or not. So let's open the Spotify app. So if you see here, like here the app, so if you have listening song regularly, so this app will automatically recommend the songs related to that. Okay, for example, if I scroll down, you can see the songs. So sometimes the show error that we have no recommendation for you or anything else, that means your you don't have recommendations here. Okay, so if you scroll down and right here see at the last, like this, if you see, so I listen like frequently, so that's why it's not showing. If it shows, you have to listen more song and it will be fixed. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.